Today we will learn how to find out area of a circle. The radius of a circle is 28 meter. Find its area. Solution. We must understand the method also so that it will be easy for us to understand how to write down as well as to represent it. Radius of a circle R equals to 28 meter as it is given in the question. They want you to find out area of a circle, so we are putting in a bracket capital letter A question mark. So if you don't want to write down area of a circle, you can use only A. The formula for area of a circle is pi r square. Substitution for that we require to write the same thing as pi into r. Now you can do substitution. So the area of circle equals to 22 upon 7 multiply by 28 into 28 because 28 is the radius given to you. So you can simplify by reducing 7 by 7 to 7 one time, it will give you 1, and same way 7 4 time will give you 28, so it will give you on top 4. So the area of circle is nothing but 2464 square meter. Let us go for the next sum. Now here they have given you area of a circle as 176 square meter. Find its diameter. Solution. As you know, area of a circle A is given to you 176 square meter. We need to find out diameter, and we know that area of a circle A is nothing but pi r square, and r is radius. So first we will get radius. So substitution, we have substituted area of circle replaced by its value and pi as usual replaced by 22 upon 7. We are transferring 22 upon 7 from right side to the left side. So we get 176 multiplied by 7 upon 22. When we reduce 22 one time and 22 8 time, so we get r square as 56. We want r, so we will take square root both the side. So I will get r equals to plus and minus root 56, but radius cannot be negative, therefore we take it positive. So the radius is root 56 meter. But our main question is they want diameter. Therefore diameter equals to 2 into radius, and diameter will be equals to 2 root 56 meter. So the diameter of the given circle is 2 root 56 meter. Now they are giving you circumference here in the new example of the sum, and they want you to find out. So here solution is the circumference of a circle is given 88 centimeter. The radius of the circle we have to find out, and then we can find out area of a circle, because you know that formula for area of a circle is pi r square. So radius you need it. So first you are going to calculate radius. As we know, circumference of the given circle is 2 pi r, which can be written as 88 equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r, because circumference of the circle is given to us and pi value we know it, so we have substituted it. Now we are transferring it from right side to the left side. We will get 88 into 7. The number which is in the denominator will go to the numerator, and the numerator will come down to the denominator. When you simplify it further, you will get radius as 14 centimeter. You got radius. Now you can calculate area. So the area of circle is pi r square. Substitution 22 upon 7 into 14, and 7 one time, then 7 two times. Then the area of the given circle will be 616 square centimeter. I hope it is clear how to find out area when the circumference is given. So first you need to find out radius and then you can find out area.